Hello and welcome to Sleep Cove, the podcast and YouTube channel to get a good night's sleep. This episode is aimed at reducing any negative thoughts you may have and concentrating on positivity. Please do not listen to this recording whilst driving or operating heavy machinery. Please listen to this in a place where you can safely go to sleep. And let's begin. Please make sure you make yourself as comfortable as you can. You're most likely in bed or a place where you can safely go to sleep. And move your body around and make it settle in the bed so you are very at ease. Before we start, you may want to stretch and extend those muscles so you're perfectly comfortable. Make sure that your legs aren't crossed and your arms aren't crossed, and get into the perfect position that you like to sleep in. Now take a deep breath and fill your lungs with this healing air, and then breathe out slowly. And take a second, even deeper breath deep into your lungs, and again exhale slowly until all the oxygen is emptied out of your lungs like a balloon, slowly emptying. And carry on breathing like this. And concentrate on your stomach and make sure you're breathing through your stomach and not your shoulders. Your chest and stomach should be slowly going in and out as you breathe. If you're breathing through your upper chest or shoulders, it shows that you're breathing inefficiently. So concentrate as you breathe in, and your stomach should push out naturally. And as you exhale, the stomach slowly moves back into your body. This is the natural way to breathe. Now, as you're laying in bed, I want you to picture your body, and you can see all the muscles in your body. You can let each and every muscle you have relax. From the top of your head down into the bottom of your feet. You can let your mind drift off to pleasant scenes in your imagination as you let the relaxation move up and down from the bottom of your feet into your ankle and into your knees and your calf muscles, and then into your thigh muscles, and the muscles grow loose and relaxed, detensed and light as all these tensions are fading away. because with each one of these deep breaths, you relax even further. And you feel the relaxation going from your thighs into your hips, with each of these muscles turning loose, easing off and just relaxing now, as you just let go a little more, calmly, gently, easily. You let this feeling drift all over you into a pleasant state of calm. Now the next wave of relaxation moves up from the hips into the stomach and into the solar plexus, which is the center of nervous energy. Each muscle and nerve that lets loose, the tensions relax, the muscles relax, and you feel you are drifting deep and deeper down into this calm and thoughtful place you want to be. The feeling goes into your ribs and the muscles relax, and the feeling goes into the broad muscles of the chest. The muscles grow loose and detense, and all of these feelings of tension are fading away with each slow beat of your heart. You're going deeper into a drowsy slumber, and now the feeling goes into your neck, and the muscles let go and relax, just as they relax each night when you are in a deep and sound sleep. And you go deeper and deeper into relaxation as the feeling moves into your back, up from your lower back, in to your spine, and then moving up to the upper part of the back. Each muscle and nerve in your back loses the tension as you feel the muscles relax deeply in the back now. From the shoulders, this relaxation feeling goes down into the elbows and both arms. The upper arm muscles go loose, ease off and detense, and then down the feeling goes into the wrists of both arms. The forearms relax, and the feeling flows down into the fingertips of both hands, and you feel like this feeling is drifting down as you could fall asleep in this moment. relaxation feeling moves up, and your jaw detenses and maybe slightly opens. Your mouth may slightly open so the teeth aren't touching, and the muscles relax in your face. Firstly, the forehead detenses and any muscles which may be tense go smooth, and the muscles around your eyes feel so soft as the energy is released. And the muscles from the back of your neck all the way to the tip of your head relax completely. You may feel a pleasant tingling sensation in your extremities, but you know you are now in a completely relaxed state as your body is bathed in the pleasant glow of complete and utter relaxation. And you know now that any negative thoughts you may have had are drifting away. Now that you are relaxing in such a good state, you're going to go into a deeper trance-like state by using your mind's eye to visit a place in your dreams which is comfortable, secure, and safe for you to be. You can experience this dream in every detail as if you were right there. You can experience this and enjoy it as it happens right now and right here. It doesn't matter if you haven't been here before. Just allow yourself to experience and follow the words that I'm saying. And you're ready now to begin this amazing and relaxing journey with me. Imagine yourself arriving at a destination by a mode of transport. It could be a car, a plane, a boat, or by foot. It's been a long journey, and you're feeling a little sleepy as you arrive, and you look forward to this moment as you arrive onto a beach. You relax on your own beach with soft white sands and clear blue waters with very still waves which gently break onto the shore sands, and you listen to these waves they gently break and go onto the sand is a peaceful, lovely sound. And you have the whole of this wonderful beach and cove to yourself, and it stretches off into the distance in both directions. It's a glorious place to be. Behind you is the green foliage of a tropical island, and you can see the peaks of the treetops and the palm trees. The sky is a luscious shade of blue, and there's a couple of white clouds up in the distance. And the waters are so clear, you can see small fish darting around. And you realise that you're very happy to be here. This is a place just for you, a safe place to escape to when you want and when you need to go to it. You decide to walk to an outcrop of rocks in the beach, and you sit down with your back against the rocks, and you see that the sun is beginning to set, and different shades of red, orange and yellow streak across the once clear blue sky. It's a lovely sight as you see this golden sunset is slowly setting over the ocean, making it shimmer and sparkle, and you watch until the sun sets, and you get a lovely warm feeling that spreads across your entire body and mind and spirit, and you feel yourself going down deeper and deeper into a deep relaxation. And when you hear my voice again, you will feel twice as relaxed, twice as comfortable, and ready to accept suggestions for the benefit of your health and well-being. As you listen to my voice, you begin to realise how special you really are as an individual. You have unique talents, skills and gifts, your own thinking, your own abilities. You have your own ethics and morals, and you are a very individual person. you recognize your success of your abilities, and you have the ability to learn, relearn and develop new skills. These skills can help you on your life's journey. For you, learning is not just about relaxing the mind and body, but also to develop your emotions. There is no need to allow negative emotions to build or develop. You do not need to restrict positive thoughts, feelings, and general well-being. You have relaxed all the anxiety in your body and all the tension earlier. And now it's time to relax the emotions and release any negative feelings you may be thinking. Because it is just a feeling, and these thoughts can just disappear easily as they come into your mind. In the future, you'll just let them drift off. You can thrive in these stressful times. As we relax ourselves when we fall to sleep at night, your mind and emotions can relax and switch off, and you can bring these resources together in your mind and body to help solve the issues, worries and concerns, and you can deal with life's issues and events. Holding worries, stresses and concerns does not do yourself justice. It does not solve any problem. Taking these worries and negative thoughts and turning them into something positive is what you are going to do from now on. Or if you have these negative thoughts, as quickly as they enter your mind, you can accept them and move on. But you do not want to dwell on them. You want to dwell with your mental time and space with ideas and concepts that have the positive energy you want to develop. You want to put positive, emotional, thought and well-being energy into yourself. And you want to limit the energy you take from worrying, because it can consume you. But you can release this now. You can release this now, as you are the master of your own thought processes. So often it's easy to allow our thoughts and the negative connotations of these thoughts to almost run away with us. And if this gallop of emotion is left unchanged by ourselves, it can have us develop other worries which feed on each other, contaminating our thoughts day and night and bringing no release. But from now, we will not let these negative emotions take a hold of us. We will reduce them, diffuse them, defeat them, and manage them, learning to manage the negatives in our thoughts and feelings as we can control the tensions in our body. If you can relax your body, you can relax your mind. If you can learn new skills, you can learn skills to deflect the negative thoughts in your mind. So imagine your emotions like an inflated balloon. The more we put into them, the more room they take. We must release the energy that we have put into these problems and thoughts, and we need to deflate them. In the quietness of your mind, let some of these negative thoughts, as from the balloon you can imagine, deflate slowly. Nothing rushed. There is no demand. Allow each breath you breathe out to release some of the issues you are carrying. And each breath in calms your mind and body and your thoughts. Each breath out reduces the negativity and deflates the negativity out of the balloon, allowing your thoughts to be filled with such positivity. And you do this within yourself. You create an inner calmness and comfort and return to a balance of harmony, feeling refreshed, calm and unburdened, and a welcome return to some positive thoughts, feelings and emotions. You can take control of this in the waking world. When you are out of trance, you can breathe in calm and breathe out the negative emotions, because you will not let them take hold. You have control over your mind, body, and emotion. It feels right and it feels good. Every time you listen to this, you not only bring more calmness and comfort to your mind, body and emotions, but also more control of the new positive thoughts and patterns you receive, and a sense of being unburdened, and you have calm and comfort at the deepest level. And you may even notice your confidence improves and relaxation and comfort develops in many areas of your life, so you can enjoy yourself and feel more empowered in your mind, body and emotion. You are on a journey, a calming and gentle journey, a journey of gentle positive change, which you will change at that deepest level. Every time you listen to this, the process goes further, allowing the internal change to be put into positive solutions and positive thought patterns As you relax in this way, you bring calm and harmony, and you can control these emotions, allowing the harmony and balance to refill in how you think. Your well-being will improve, your control will improve, your self-esteem will improve. You need to give time to you. And now you can begin to relax and think of these thoughts.